So we're back to the WRX and took the intake off and an intake tube to the turbo and some noodles. Don't think that's our real problem. Ew. Just realized I got a bunch of crap in that, and that's for the PCB, and it has water in it. Well, that ain't good. Okay, just one of the things I found. Here's probably one of the worst. Makes me quite a bit upset. This is how to tell when your turbo's bad. That shaft should have no play whatsoever. If you look on the inside there, the turbine wheel, it's been pressing against that. But either way, the bearings in the shaft are completely trashed. On top of finding my TGVs truly stuck closed. I forced, well, this one I can't move. It's kind of stuck open. It's really nasty. Apparently, whoever had this motor did not take care of it. And these were the ones that were stuck open, this one being obviously the worst. And I forced it open. So, but apparently I got a lot more work to go on this sumbitch. Go figure. Anybody with a used turbo that has good bearings and good fins, let me know. Probably buy it cash.